Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bradley, but I go by Zuri Africa on all my social media pages. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious creamy pesto pasta. So yeah, stick around and see how it goes. So first we are going to make our pesto sauce. So you need 2 cups of basil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic, a handful of cashew nuts, 1/3 cup of sunflower oil or olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper for seasoning, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. So in your blender, you're going to put your cashew nuts in, your salt and pepper for seasoning, and then your tablespoon of garlic in there, and then you're just going to blend. And after blending, this is how it's going to look. So now we need to add the basil and now we are going to pour our sunflower oil or olive oil in there. I'm going to blend for 2 seconds. And again. Okay, done. Now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese in there. We're going to blend it some more. And that's how it looks now. So we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice and we're done. There you go. Mix it in there. And voila, you have your pesto sauce. Look at it. There you go. We are going to boil some macaroni. There you go. I'm going to boil some macaroni. Just make sure that you don't overcook it. Now we're gonna get ready to make our chicken. So you need chicken strips, some cream, and some mushrooms. And add some butter. Try and give out. Okay. No, you didn't want to help me. So next you're going to add some sunflower oil. And add your chicken strips. You're going to be adding some salt and pepper. You're going to add some onion. Then some mushrooms. Okay, when your chicken is done, move it aside. cream. Ooh, already spilling. Okay. We are going to add, remember, our pesto. And then some Parmesan cheese. Now you're gonna add your chicken. And you're going to add your macaroni in there. And there you have it. Creamy chicken pesto pasta.